Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on waving at people on Facebook Messenger. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. There always used to be a feature on Messenger called Wave, which would send a wave emoji to the person along with a caption, "This person waved at you." That wave feature has been removed, but there is still a non-official way to easily send waves to people. In the chat thread with the person you want to wave to, tap their name from the top. Select Emoji. Select the wave emoji. That wave emoji will be saved to the right of your chat box from now on, and you can tap it to send them a wave whenever you want. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more messenger tips and tricks.